Hey, what's up, guys? I want to talk to you a little bit about Adin Ross and um, Adin Ross's. I was watching his video on how to make it. This is an 18-year-old telling you how to make it. It's an interesting video for a number of different reasons. But when an 18-year-old has the motivation to speak to you on how to make it. It's very interesting. What he talks about is your mindset and what you should be doing, and the hours he's putting into streaming, into going ahead and actually building a company. This is all super interesting purely because he's only 18 years old. So usually this is the kind of stuff 35, 40-year olds start thinking about. But he's 18, he's doing 12-hour streams. His friends think he's crazy, and he's still going. This is a good learning lesson from you. If you are motivated at such an early stage, like 18, like 19, and you're going through, you know, streaming for 12, 15 hours a day, and you're basically doing anything possible to make it, then you have a good chance. I certainly know at 18, I definitely wasn't thinking about that. I was more interested in having fun. But the point of this is that anyone with the right determination, mindset, even at an early stage, the earlier the better for some of you out there. If you look at what's going on in the world, for example, content creation is booming right now. How you can use your talents and leverage them to actually exploit something in the market, a particular niche, and test and try, test and try. It just happened that Adin Ross managed to exploit it extremely well and blow up. And it's not to say that any of you won't blow up, but it's a really interesting thing. The fact that an 18-year-old is telling us how to make it and what the steps he's going through. And of course, now it's got over 1 million views, just that particular video. But this is something for any of you out there looking to test and try. Look at a particular niche that's blowing up. Think about creating content around that niche like he did, which was basketball streaming. And he saw it was working, so he just kept going. He also realized, and smartly enough, realized that rappers have the largest kind of viewership, and they have the largest community in the US. And so he partnered with rappers and did various collaborations with them. Very smart thing to do because he knew his reach would explode with rappers as well. So don't get discouraged. You have to, constantly test and try different ideas and strategies. Look at which influencer can leverage and push your brand further. His was, of course, Adin Ross. And he just kept going. He just didn't stop. Content. And one day, he obviously exploded. He started on a couple $1,000 a month and, turned into a lot more. Now he's doing, $100 million with Kick.com contracts. He's got equity in the company. He's got brand deals, sponsorship deals, and he's still streaming. So don't get discouraged. If Adin Ross can do it, you certainly can too. And get out there and start creating content.